Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Claudie Cooks. Have I got an amazing Caribbean dish for you, the tastiest oxtail stew. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the link below as usual. As a side note, the oxtail has already been washed and cleaned and pat dry. Let's get cooking. Let's start by adding all the flavors. Let's start by adding some oil, followed by some soy sauce. Hot pepper sauce, chopped garlic, and some green seasoning. Followed by some garlic powder and some all-purpose seasoning. As mentioned before, all of these extra spices will be listed in the link below. Now for the vegetables, we've got some mixed peppers, followed by some chopped red onions, spring onion, and tomatoes. Time to add the black pepper, pimento seeds, and thyme. Time to massage all these wonderful flavors into the oxtail. Cover and put in the fridge to marinate for about 2 hours, or you can marinate it overnight as I did. So this is the next day, and I'm getting ready to brown the oxtail off before putting it in the oven. I've already preheated the pot with some oil in it. Before frying the oxtail, you will need to remove all of the vegetables from it because you will need it later on to cook down with the oxtail. I'm frying these oxtail for about 8 minutes, but you need to turn them over during the cooking process. That's the kind of caramelized color you're looking to achieve. I like to deglaze my pan after cooking the oxtail, so this is what I'm going to do now. Here I'm adding some rich beef stock, but you can use hot boiling water. After deglazing the pan, it's time to add the vegetables and give it a stir and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's good to add the oxtail back to the pot. This smells so good. I wish you could actually smell it. For this amount of oxtail, I've used 2.5 pints of liquid, including the beef stock. Cover and put it into a preheated oven for 3 hours. This is 3 hours later. You don't have to, but as you can see, there's some excess fat in there, so I'm removing it, but you can leave it. Right, it's time to add the final vegetables. I'm adding some carrots, some onion, scotch bonnets, and some fresh thyme. And here I'm adding a bit more green seasoning. give it a little stir to combine all the flavors. Here I'm adding a bit more hot water to give a bit more gravy. Right, time to cover it and put it back in the oven for an extra half an hour before we add the butter beans and the sauces. As you can see, it's really tender. It's falling off the bone. Time to test for seasoning. Perfect. We're gonna put this back in the oven for half an hour, and then voila, here we are. Doesn't that look delicious? It smells divine. It's time to plate up this delicious oxtail. I can't wait to get my teeth into that. It's just so yummy. And there you have it, guys. Go cook it and enjoy it.